Hey Vikas, I've been thinking, should I go for investments that promise high returns? They seem like the best option.
Not necessarily, Sapna. High returns may come with high risk. It's better to assess both before making a decision.
I see. So, how do I decide if it's the right investment?
Start by considering your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the time frame you can stay invested. Diversification is also important to manage risk effectively.
Makes sense. I'll focus on aligning my investments with my goals instead of just chasing returns.
Absolutely. Remember, the best investment isn't about the highest return. It's the one that works best for you.
Thanks, Vikas. This really clears up my confusion. Time to research some funds.
That's the spirit, Sapna. A little planning goes a long way. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.